Good day and welcome to 501 Math Lead, where we work smart, not hard. Today, we are told that Oliver has 8 cards bearing the numbers from 1 to 8. He places the card numbered 1 as shown in the figure, then the other 7 in a row next to it, so that the sum of two numbers written on adjacent cards is never divisible by 2 nor by 3. What will be the 8-digit number on the cards when placed in a row? Pause the video here, give it a try, see what you come up with. So, let's see. We have the numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And when we place them to make our 8-digit number, any two numbers side by side can't be divisible by 2 when we add them up, or by 3. In other words, they have to be an odd number when we add them up side by side. So, let's think about it. If we had an odd number next to another odd number, whenever we add an odd number with an odd number, we always get an even. Same thing happens for even with even. So our numbers have to be an odd and an even side by side, because only odd plus even gives you an odd number. And we don't want them to be divisible by 2, so in other words, they must add up to an odd number. Next, they can't be divisible by 3. So right away we can eliminate some numbers that can't be side by side. So for example, 7 and 8, those can't be side by side because they add up to 15, which is divisible by 3. Also 2 and 7 can't be next to each other because that adds up to 9, also divisible by 3, as well as 4 and 5, those can't be side by side. So let's keep those in mind. Alright, starting off with the 1, we know that it has to be an even number next to the 1. So there are 4 possibilities, 2, 4, 6, and 8. But it can't be 2 because 1 plus 2 adds up to 3, and it can't be 8 because 1 plus 8 adds up to 9. So we're only left with the 4 or the 6. But let's go with the bigger number. As they say, go big or go home. So let's try the 6. So if we place the 6, the next number has to be an odd number. There are 3 possibilities, 3, 5, or 7. It can't be the 3, because 6 plus 3 adds up to 9. So it has to be either the 5 or the 7. Again, let's go big or go home. Let's go with the bigger number 7. Next, it has to be an even number. 2, 4, or 8 are there. It can't be the 8. It can't be the 7, as we had said before. So it has to be the 4. So we are left now with odd numbers. There's the 3 and the 5. It can't be the 5 because 4 plus 5 adds up to 9. So it must be the 3. Good. Next, even numbers. We have 2 and 8. It could be either of those. But again, let's go big or go home. Let's go with the bigger number 8. After that, there is only one odd number left. So it has to be the 5. After that, there's only one even number left, so it has to be the 2. So let's check our answer. Let's see. 1 and 6 adds up to 7. That's not even or divisible by 3. 6 and 7 is 13. Yeah, that's good. 7 and 4 is 11. That's good. 4 and 3 adds up to 7. Check. 3 and 8 adds up to 11. Good. 8 and 5 adds up to 13. Good. 5 and 2 adds up to 7. It's all good. So this is one solution. Maybe you came up with something else. Let us know in the comments below. And as always, if you enjoyed this video or found it useful, please hit that like button, share with others, and subscribe if you're new here.